discuss about hierarchy of risk control. Hierarchy of risk control, it is very important. There are 5 elements which you need to apply at the time of while working. Okay, in different zones, like suppose you are working in a confined zone, height work hazards, excavation hazards. So there are different kinds of hazard. Electrical hazard. So suppose you are working with the electrical equipments which is connected with the long wire, and in long wire there are so many cuts. There are so many cuts in the wire. So for elimination method, what you have to do over there, you can simply eliminate that the power supply system. Okay, with the wires, you can go with the battery powered equipment. Battery powered equipment, the equipment which you are using, suppose you are using a drill machine which is connected with the wire, and there are so many cuts in the same wire, so you will get the shock on your body because of the same wire. So what you will do, you can simply eliminate that wire. Okay, you can go with the battery powered equipment. Battery powered equipment with the battery powered drill, so you can drill it in a normal way. You do not get the shock because you eliminated that wire. Okay, you are using battery powered drill machine. So that system which you need to apply for elimination method. Substitution. For substitution, you can go with the like hammer or the other things which you need to do the hole in the wall. Okay, so that kind of method you need to apply for hierarchy of risk control. Okay, then third one is to go with the engineering control. In engineering control, you can put the guard. If someone is using like a grinder without guard, so it may damage, or it may cut someone's face, or it may create an impact on your workplace. Okay, if you are using without any guard, grinder and all, so you can put the guard over there for the engineering control. Okay, you can put switches over there to control the equipments. Okay, to perform in a proper way. Then administrative control. For administrative control, you can put one supervisor over there who will supervise the whole work. Okay, the whole work which is going on under control of the supervisor only. So there may be like the worker working in a normal way, because there is the supervisor. He will supervise. He will guide the team in a proper way. And then the last one is PPE, personal protective equipment. In personal protective equipment, you can give the workers like helmets, goggles, gloves, safety boots, lifeline. If the workers are working on top, you can give the lifeline. You can give the harness, body harness, fall arrestor systems. So this comes under PPE. So these are the important things in hierarchy of risk control which you need to apply. 5 methods: elimination method, substitution method, engineering control method, administrative control, and the last one is PPE. So this way you can go. And one method again that comes under the elimination. With the help of elimination, you can if you cannot be able to eliminate, you can isolate that part. Suppose you are working with the electrical zone. Okay, so you can put that electrical supply equipment and all, like high voltage supply over there, transformers and all. So you can isolate that part. You can make that area in a lock and key, and only the authorized person will go inside. So no other workers, like no normal workers, go inside and then switch on any plugs and all, because it's a high powered area where the maximum amount of voltage supply is going on here and there in whole company. So you can isolate that part, make it in a lock and key. Only the authorized person can go inside, and then the work is going on in a normal way. So this is how the hierarchy of risk control you can manage in your company. Understood?